Ba 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 ba. Oh, lol! Kala ko strand. Yung pala hindi nagupit. Hi! Hi! Okay.
Wait a minute.
Hi, my name is Jelai. Angela. Honestly, whichever you prefer, I pretty much respond to any of those. Today I'll be dyeing my hair with the Liese Creamy Bubble color in mint ash. This is a little pricey compared to what I usually buy. This is around 500 pesos. This specific shade or color is always sold out in Lazada Mall and Shopee, but luckily I found it in Beauty Manila. I really like Bright's hair color. And from what I heard, it's actually his natural hair color. Plus, I've watched a couple of content creators who dyed their hair with this same brand, and it turned out amazing. So I'm gonna see if this works for my hair. Last time I colored my hair was 5 months ago with a Revlon box. I've never had my hair rebonded or chemically straightened. I did recently get a haircut. I'm going to wear a black shirt for the before and after, just so you can see what it looks like in an almost similar manner. I have one strand of white hair and I don't want to pluck it because I kind of want to see if the color pigment would stick on it. So here are some questions that we want to answer by the end of this video. Did it help me achieve Bright's hair color or at least the mint ash color? Does it cover white hair? Would I color my hair with this product again? Would I recommend this? I've always wanted to go with like an ash color for my hair and see what I look like. I don't know. I hope it works. Let's start! Perform a skin allergy test 2 days or 48 hours before the coloring session. Add 1 drop of the solution 1 and 2 drops of the solution 2 on the paper. Do not mix the whole bottle solutions yet. This brand has a very unique way of mixing their dye, so hope you can watch carefully. Once you're ready to color your hair, pour solution 1 to solution bottle 2. Make sure that the bottle is tightly sealed with a white cap. Do not shake the bottle. Invert the solution back and forth 1 second at a time. Repeat this 5 times. Replace the cap with the foam lid. Pumping the lid doesn't work. You can dispense the foam by squeezing it at the center of the bottle. Don't tilt the bottle. I watch a lot of Brad Mondo videos, so I think I may have gotten a few tips or so, but I don't think I've mastered the art of coloring yet, so bear with me. What I learned is that you shouldn't start with your roots because it generates a lot of heat, and do it last. But generally this is easier than other hair dye applicators because it's foamy, so it's basically like shampooing yourself. If you have long hair, you can use the entire product, and if you have short hair, you can use it up to this line. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, but if you have darker or thicker hair, then add another 5 to 10 minutes. Since I forgot to put the oil-based product on my neck, it did stain a bit, but it was easily removed. Going back to our questions, did it help me achieve bright hair color or at least the mint ash color? No, but it did lighten my hair. The ash part is not as obvious. Maybe you'll notice it a little when you're in the sun, but it's still overall a nice color. Does it cover white hair? Sadly, it does not. But it's okay. I mean, this product doesn't really claim to cover white hair. Would I color my hair with this product again? No and yes. I probably won't buy this for a while in order for me to try and test out other products. But if I do buy this again anytime soon, maybe I'll try a different shade. Would I recommend this? I would definitely recommend this. If you're someone who would like a subtle change to your hair color, or I do know that this would look really great on someone who has a naturally lighter hair color, or if you had it bleached. It's very easy to use and quite fun, so why not? It's a bit pricier for my own budget, but for others, I'm sure the price is just right. I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully it helped in any way if you're planning to dye your hair with a Liese, or if you're planning to color your hair any shade close to this color. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, please. Thanks for watching!
Bubble.